Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So, I posted this reel, and a lot of you guys had so many questions about it. So, a lot of people ask me how did this concert activation happen, and who comes up with these ideas, how do we get into this kind of work. So, I'm going to tell you the real story behind it. Let's start with the basics of who I am and what I do. So basically, I am a copywriter. I have been working since the past 2 years. This is my first job, and I work in an advertising agency called Leo Burnett. It's one of the best advertising agencies. And also, being a copywriter, a lot of people have asked us that what do you exactly do. So a lot of people have this perception of copywriters that they just write captions or basic emailers and stuff, but no, being a copywriter comes with a lot of things. Like, we have to do so many things, be it thinking of ideas, being aware of what's happening in the world, and thinking of these activations, like of how we can make the culture, like how we can be a part of this culture. And me being a beginner, I'm a very small micro nano part of this industry, and there are so many people who have done amazing work. People that I work with, they know so much more about advertising than I do, but I'm just going to share what all I have experienced in the past 2 years and how I got here. So my journey would be very random. I did commerce with fine arts in school, and I had no intention of coming into copywriting. Like, I had no idea about advertising or anything. In school, I started doing some internships for like social media marketing and stuff. So I did a lot of freelance work, and then I got into Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University. So I did English and French as my main subjects there. I did BA program, and again, a very random course. I just got into it, so I did it. Like, I had no intention of studying French. I don't know a single word of French. I did a degree in it, but whatever. So हाँ, तो कॉलेज हो गया, स्कूल हो गया, दोनों टाइम रैंडम थिंग्स, नो आइडिया व्हाट डू आई वांट टू डू विद माय लाइफ. Social media was just something that I was interning in. I eventually got better in it, and I did a lot of internships. Like, ever since 12th grade, I have done like 20 internships, I think. So I did that, and then after my college got over, I got introduced to advertising by a friend, and I was like, sure, let's just try because I need a job. So I applied, I went for the interview, and it went well. They gave me an assignment. I thought of things. The main thing here was that people in advertising are not like looking for your education, your experience and stuff. People in advertising just want to see how creative you are. Like, if you are just a beginner, like I was a beginner with no idea about what advertising is. It's just that what they saw was the creativity, the thought building process that I had, and that's something that all of you guys should know. Like, if you want to get into something like in a creative field, like advertising is not just copywriters. We have so many things, like so many people here. We have copywriters, we have people who do art, we have people who do video editing, we have people who do the strategy, which is basically the entire thinking behind a campaign or a creative writing bit as well. And then we have the client servicing bit, people who are basically handling the entire agency along with the clients. So there are so many roles in advertising. It's not just copywriting, and nothing like I won't say that there's any role which comes below the other one, because like every single part of this advertising agency or this advertising culture is really important. Like, we all complete each other. Now, I genuinely had no idea about advertising, as I said, that मेरे को genuinely यही लगता था कि captions ही तो लिखने हैं सिर्फ, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं. Like being a copywriter, my role involves so much. Like I work on a lot of big brands, and they're listening to me, like they're believing, they're putting their trust in my ideas, in my thought process. If I say that this is what Gen Z is really liking these days, they would actually consider it. Like it makes you feel important. So that's how we ended up at the Karan Aujla concert, and that's how, that is the thinking behind that reel, that Gen Z wants brands to come where Gen Z actually is. Like they want us, like they want the brands to be a part of their culture, not build new culture. So this has been an insight about a lot of campaigns, and we basically, all the brands these days are currently, trying to fit into this culture of Gen Z. And me being a Gen Z, my words are really valued in the industry because people in my industry, people in my office genuinely are like, कशिश को बुला लो, कशिश Gen Z है, कशिश बता देगी कि Gen Z को क्या पसंद है. And me, I am the least Gen Z girl that I know. It's like मैंने इतनी लड़कियां देखी, there are so many girls even in my office, all around me, on my Instagram, हर जगह people are very Gen Z and I am not. मेरे को नहीं पता, मुझे आधे ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं पता. That reminds me, can I just tell you about one thing that happened to me? I was doing a shoot in this market area in Gurgaon, and a friend of mine was like holding the camera. She was about to shoot. I was about to walk up the stairs, and there are like two girls standing on the सबसे ऊपर वाली stair, and वो दोनों लड़कियाँ मेरे को देख के ऐसे करने लगी. Like दोनों straight खड़ी हैं. I'm just about to walk, and वो देख के ऐसे ऐसे कर रही है. And like, एंड मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हो गई. मेरे को पता है ये क्लॉकेट होता है, पर मुझे नहीं पता इसका मतलब क्या है. क्या वो मेरे को अच्छे से कुछ बोल रही हैं, क्या वो मेरी बेइज्जती कर रही हैं, मुझे नहीं पता. मैं बस ऐसे थी, मैं देख रही हूँ, एंड पहले एक हाथ, फिर दोनों हाथ, एंड देन उसके बाद द अदर गर्ल ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस, एंड देन वो मुझे बस करती रहो, मैं बस देख रही हूँ, और मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आया था उसे. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई डिड. मैं जेन जी हूँ, वो आई थिंक जेन एक्स है, आई डोंट नो वो क्या है, बट वो बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग था, बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग था. प्लस हाउ कैन यू, लाइक इवन इफ यू आर जेन जी, जेन एक्स, वट एवर यू आर, प्लीज डोंट बी एम्बैरेसिंग. दिस इज एम्बैरेसिंग, दिस इज नथिंग. इफ यू वांट टू अप्रिशिएट मी, से इट. इफ यू डोंट लाइक मी, लाफ ऑन माई फेस. ये क्या कर रहे हो? ओके, whatever. Coming back to copywriting, coming back to advertising. Another thing that I would like to talk about when it comes to advertising and creativity, I feel that creativity mostly comes from awareness. How aware are you of what's happening around the world? You need to see the world. I haven't seen the world yet. I am not at my best yet. I'm not even near to my best. So I feel that before joining the advertising industry, you really need to see the world. You really need to experience things to see what people actually like, how people are. Because whenever you think of an idea, whatever idea you're coming up with, be it the smallest of the idea, you really need to have an insight, and that insight comes from what you see around yourself. If you're looking at like billboards and stuff, you see how people are working these days, what people are actually liking and everything. You go around, you talk to people, you experience things, you do activities. All these things are basically giving you insights, and you're being aware of what's working in the world and how people are actually functioning. And these kind of things are really important in this industry. I would say that this is something that I lack. I really try to, get more experiences and do more things. Like me going out on a weekend is basically me trying to be good at my job as well. So that is counted. For me, it is counted. So yeah, I feel that advertising really wants people who experience things. You need to be creative from your core. You need to actually want to love it. Like, so there's that. if advertising interests you and you want to see the behind the scenes of the life in advertising and all of those things, then just let me know, and I guess you'll have to subscribe and see what happens. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment below if you really want to know about anything else, and maybe someday I'll have one more person here, someone more experienced in advertising, and help you guys know more. So yeah, bye bye. It was lovely talking to you. Please subscribe and follow my Instagram. See you in the next vlog.